Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Divi templates. First, navigate to any page or post where you want to add content and enable the Divi builder. You will then see options to build from scratch, clone an existing page, or choose a pre-made layout. Select Choose a pre-made layout to open the Divi library. This library contains hundreds of professionally designed layouts ready for you to use and customize. Once you have chosen a layout, simply click Use this layout to import it directly onto your page. The Divi builder will then load the entire design, including all sections, rows, and modules. Now, the fun begins. You can click on any element, such as text or an image, and instantly edit its content and design settings. Change fonts, colors, sizes, and more with just a few clicks. For more advanced customization, dive into the module settings. Each module offers hundreds of design options, allowing you to control every detail from spacing to animations. You can also create global modules or sections, which means editing them once will update them across your entire website. This saves you a tremendous amount of time and ensures design consistency throughout your site. After customizing a layout to perfection, you can save it to your Divi library. This allows you to reuse your unique designs on other pages or even other websites. Simply click the Save to Library icon within the Divi builder. Building your own collection of custom templates means you can quickly deploy new pages with consistent branding and design, saving you countless hours on future projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.